Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I just want to show you guys natural way to get rid of stretch mark. And if you are having stretch mark, you want to fade your stretch mark, this is what you actually need to do. So right now guys, so first of all, what we will need is lime. Lime is very good when it comes to getting rid of stretch mark. If you have that stubborn stretch mark, age stretch mark, or during childbirth or process of you adding weight, you have a stretch mark and you want to get rid of it, probably the cream you have used, cream can also cause stretch mark guys. So this way I will advise you to use lemon is very good. It will help to tighten up that space guys, that place that you have stretch mark, and it will help fade it away because it will contain vitamin C and other antioxidants guys. So what we will do, first thing we will do, we'll just go ahead and drill out the juice. So this is it right now. We actually need the juice, and the next thing we will be adding guys, so the next thing we'll be adding guys is coconut cream. So this will help moisturize your skin for you not to have any reaction or skin pigmentation. So the next thing I will be adding is baking soda guys. Baking soda is actually good if you want to get rid of stretch mark, that stubborn stretch mark. So this is how it looks right now. So guys, this is how it is right now. And before you apply this on your skin, let me tell you what to do first. So guys, first of all, this is tomatoes, and tomatoes is really nice and it do contain antioxidants, and not only that, it has its own nutrients that can easily help your skin to lighten up, and it also fights against bacteria and any other skin pigmentation. Most especially guys, if you are having stretch mark, like I said before, use this just the way I'm about to show you guys right now. So first of all guys, this is the tomatoes. I will just use it to, I don't know, I still have a little stretch mark but it's fade guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have a little there but it's blend with my skin now, just because of what I've used before. I also did a video about that guys, you can go and check it out. And what I do, I normally use these tomatoes to clean it. And if anywhere you are having your stretch mark, you can as well use these tomatoes before you apply what we did the first time before these tomatoes guys. So I use this to clean the surface so that when I do apply the stretch mark remedy guys, it will work easily on my skin. So it doesn't really matter where you are having your stretch mark. It might be your buttocks, anywhere in your body, just do it the way I'm doing it right now. And after then guys, I don't know if you guys you seen, so after then I will just go ahead and apply the substance guys, just like this. So it's very simple. very simple, and you have to leave this for at least 15 to 20 minutes before you can wash it off, and keep doing it once or 2 times in a day. After then, you just gonna get your result for 1 month. So guys, that is just it. It's simple and easy. Simple and easy. I don't know if you guys, so I don't have any stretch mark again. As you can see, this is the stretch mark before. I don't know if you guys can see it, so it's blended with my skin already. So guys, thank you for your time, and I so much appreciate you all. See you guys in my next video, and please do this for 1 month. You will definitely get your result, and do have a blessed day. May God bless you all. Bye bye.